Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do some Pilates with a wall. It seems like it's all the craze online at the moment, so I thought I might produce a class just for you. It will be a full body workout using the wall basically as your base. Sometimes it helps you, sometimes it makes the exercise a little bit trickier. Please choose your options depending how your body is feeling today. Now let's get started.
All right, peeps, let's start on the ground. Against the wall, have a mat there or something cushioning. Bum relatively close so that you can hold your legs at 90-degree angle, heels and toes all the way down, hands beside you, and start to do little pelvis curls up and down. Belly button draw into the spine. Squeeze the glutes on the lift. As you feel uncomfortable, start to lift it up a little bit higher into full bridge. Breathe out on the lift, inhale on the lower. Single leg lifts, right leg up, then left. Keep that bum up and lifted, squeezing through the glutes. If that gets too much for you, obviously go back to your normal bridge position as you did before. Almost done. Hold that right leg up in the air and then drop the bum halfway down and up. Pulsing out through the glutes. You got 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Bringing that foot down and swapping over to the other leg. Up and down we go. Squeeze that glute. You got 4 more to go. 3, 2, 1, and bring that leg back. Bum is still in the air if you can. Arms come up now. We're dropping that hip halfway down and up, so the bum should not return to the mat if possible. Make sure you're squeezing your glutes so it doesn't tear into your hamstrings. Nice, holding still, bum in the air. We've got 8 counts only. Breathing it through. Maybe push the hips up just a little bit more, especially if you're feeling the sag. Great, and roll it all the way down. Let the knees just fall side to side there. A little bit of windshield wiping to release that lower back. All right, roll it all over. We're going to have the feet up against the wall, knees down. Hands wide, pull back, and then come forward into a chest press. Bum goes towards the wall and then chest drops between the hands. Careful of your knees, yeah? You might need a bit of cushioning under the knees depending how thin your mats are. 3 more to go. Try to get to the crease of the elbow. Good, and release it. All right, we're about to come into some plank positioning. Body will be on an angle with a bit of pressure on the shoulders, but try to squeeze the belly. So you're walking the feet up the wall. That's it. And lift a leg up and down. Always lifting out of the shoulders, otherwise there's a lot of pressure on the shoulders here. Squeeze the glutes on the lift up. And then holding. Tummy muscles drawn in. Almost there. Got literally 4 more counts to go. Perfect, and then release the knees down. Pull back into that child's pose, especially stretch out those shoulders that you might have borrowed for strength. We're coming up now to do some arm work. So step back a meter or so from the wall. Hands are going to come into a diamond shape. Fingers together, thumbs together, and drop that body down to the wall. Now, option to leave the heels down because it's a little bit nicer. But my level 2s, feel free to lift your heels off the mat and then you'll be on your tippy toes. Now take the arms nice and wide, do the same thing. See that option to come up on your toes, maybe step back a little bit further to make it harder. Because generally your chest presses are a little bit stronger. Good, stay down, we're pulsing for 8. got 4 more to go. 3, 2, 1. We're going to hold that hover. So get your body nice and close to the wall. Squeezing the glutes to make it as light as possible. And release. Come down onto the feet and then drop your chest below the arms to lengthen out those shoulders. Good. Step a little bit closer. Left leg bends, right leg starts to lift. Toes pointed to lift that leg. Squeeze the bum. Not too high so you don't use your lower back, but you're using your glute and leg muscles. Standing leg always has to have a bend. Now pulse it out for 8 here. You got 4, 3, 2, 1. Now flicking that right leg to the right side. Touch the toes to the outside of the mat. So bending your standing leg if possible. Your standing leg should start to get a little bit uncomfortable now. A little bit of burn through the muscles. It's quite normal. And release. Good. Swap to the other side. Right leg now bends. Left leg lifts up and down. Toes pointed if possible. Squeezing out through the glutes. 3, 2, 1. Holding that leg up into the air when you're ready. And we're pulsing it out for 8 here. 8 counts. Great. Now tapping that leg to the left. So when it drops to the left, you have to drop your right knee a little bit lower. Drop and lift. Standing leg bending, don't forget. And release it. Nice. All right, last little bit coming up. We're going to do a wall sit. So the back is up against the wall. Bum is like you're sitting on a dining room chair. Arms to L. Lift up and down. This is just to fix your posture a little bit. Try to place that upper back into the wall and lift the arms upwards and just elbows come down to shoulder height. Hold the arms to L, flip it forward and back, horizontal with the arms and lift. Helps that strengthen and mobilize the shoulders. Of course, you are still working your legs. Feel free to drop the bum a little bit lower if you want to. All right, we're gonna lift a heel up and down, alternating heels. Legs will start to feel a little bit uncomfortable, which is totally normal now. Almost done with the heels lift. Both heels up and hold. Breathing it through. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nearly done and release. Nice. Stretch all the way down. This is just to stretch out those hamstrings, elongating out. Bend the knees slightly if you need to. Slowly roll it up. Your head will be the last to lift. Shoulders pull back. Now give me a shoulder stretch. Left arm up against the wall. Now turn your body away from your straight arm and that will activate your shoulder joint. It's a lovely stretch for the shoulders here. And then swap to the right side. Right hand on. Turn away. Turn your body to the left. So always moving your body away from that straight arm. Perfect. And release. Give yourselves a clap. You did it.
Thank you so much for working out with me today. If you have enjoyed the class, I would really love it if we can give it a thumbs up and subscribe, as it will really help my small channel grow. And I'll see you on the next one.